I want to show how you create a simple web app. So if I type, can you please make an app that creates random words? So I entered this into Claude, but it's not very different if you use ChatGPT or Gemini or these other ones. So it's generating the JavaScript code for generating this. And if I wanted to, I could ask questions about how it works or get explanations or probe it. But quite soon we'll see that it displays the app. So now if I say generate word, we see some funny words, and I click again, we'll get some other ones. And I could change the parameters here. I could make this much bigger and this, and see what we get. So that's the beginning of the process, but you then want to think about what features you might want. So I might add, can you make the app speak words? And the chatbot knows perfectly well how the browser text-to-speech API works. So it's editing the program, adding it to it, and quite soon I think we'll see a version in which it speaks things. So if I was curious, I could read this code, pay attention to it, ask questions about it, but it's not a critical feature. I could just keep talking back and forth to the chatbot. And here it says it's updated it to it speak. So now let's try again. And then I could say speak.
James E.I. M. Ruxt. B. Pajam.
So I want to say the words, some of the words aren't really pronounceable. Can you fix that? And it doesn't matter if I misspell things, but I may as well get that right. So things like Nimix, Rubix, those weren't very good for pronouncing things. So once it does this, I could keep going. There's so many features. I've tried asking it to generate the Gettysburg Address for every third word is replaced by a random word. I can make it generate pet names, all sorts of other ideas. But let's call it quits if this new version works okay. So it's explaining how it did it, and we could say generate words, and these look more pronounceable.
Ilni. Egelkapai. Mar. Diva. Mumigni.
And I could publish this, which means that it generated this URL that I could share with others, and others could play with my app.